you. Here brings our 96 sample rate DSP audio processor to you. This model with rear filter, all-pass filter, and 8 step input and output. Let's show you our control software with rear filter and the auto EQ and auto FIR. And this model is our automatic 8x8 and 16x16.
Hello friends, let's show you our latest design digital power amplifier built-in DSP. The maximum power is 1500 per channel by AO. This is 1U DSP power amplifier. We do have 2 channel and 4 channel.
For more details, please visit our Boom app 2.1 C28.